Okay, all right. Actually today class I will be taking the topic Fiverr Account Setup, and I will also be starting from account setup. They are moving forward to big creation. Okay. Yeah. So definitely this is my new Fiverr account, and as you can see, I actually use AI to generate my image. As you can see, this is me. So what we are going to be doing this night is we are going to be focusing on the Fiverr account setup. So not big creation. Big creation is different because reason why is because the Fiverr account that is going to actually be start from the account setup is not the gig that rank, is your account that rank your gig. So please get that right. Very important. So what I'm going to do is go to the profile and go so good. Fiverr profile is very somehow different right now. In what extent? This is not the way seller profile used to be before. Here is it. This is your about us. This way you can add your portfolio. This way you can add your video too, and also you can get recommended from clients. Now, this one now is actually Fiverr new features. How we all know about Upwork that you can actually uh, uh, get a review from your past clients through your LinkedIn account. So the Fiverr own, all you just need to do is to click on this and fill the form. You put your client's name, your client's role, maybe is the founder, the client business email, then the client company, then project title. What do you do exactly, and when is the project? When do you complete the project for the client? Then you send the client a short message like, "Hi, how have you been? I just want to ask if you could, if you do mind writing me a testimonial for my work with you. Thanks." Then you request for it. Then Fiverr is going to check it, and if it's aligned with what with their terms and conditions, they are going to approve it, like up on. So that is actually very important. If you want a Fiverr account to actually uh, pick up uh, immediately, this is very rare for you to see a Nigeria Fiverr. This is a Nigeria Fiverr account. A Nigeria Fiverr account, normal, those the no spam message, and maybe the spam message is actually once in a while until you collect order. Now, this is it. Coming back to this, where you add your education, these certificates, this is where you earn your Fiverr badge. This is where you earn your Fiverr badge, and this is where you put upload your skill. So we're actually going to be doing this one by one. We are going to be doing this one by one. And actually, my first of all, I want you guys to focus on this place. You actually see that I'm from Nigeria, but I speak English, German, Italy, and Danish. Danish is um, Danish is Netherlands. So, but here, if you check, if you want to know, if you're actually going to choose a country for your Fiverr account, language for your Fiverr account. First of all, come to this site and click on this place, English. Fiverr actually recommend some languages. You can see Dutch, English, Dutch, Espanol, French, Portuguese, Italian, and Netherlands. So means that in all these language, uh, these are the kind of language that your Fiverr account can actually be translated to. So in what extent, if I choose Germany, if I choose Espanol, all the content here is going to change to Spanish. So which means that even if I'm going to create Fiverr accounts too, if I'm choosing another language aside of English, I need to choose all those language. You can only choose four. You can only choose four. As you can see, one, two, three, four. So you can only choose four. So what I need to do is to go and edit the language like this. So if I'm picking for this English, I will actually like to pick Italian, Espanol, and Dutch. So let's go. So I'm going to add a language. I'll be adding, well, I'll be adding. So it's actually showing no more option here. So I need to remove this, and at the same time, I need to remove this. So here, so me, I actually, since I'm not seeing what, I will choose a Espanol. I can actually choose Spanish. I can choose Spanish. What I need to do is to come to this side, Spanish, and I can put it on basic. Add. Don't forget, like I said, German. So German is there already. I have, like I said, I want to remove this. I want to remove this, and I want to change this to Portuguese. So it's Portuguese. So I have one, two, three, four, five. So Netherlands. So Netherlands actually speak Dutch because these are many options that you can actually add to the language. One, two, three, four, five, six. I added six already, and I can actually still add more. Like you can see, let's look for a common language. We get message from. I will look for something like Sweden. So anywhere we see Swedish, think that is okay for me. And if you want to add more, you can actually add more. As you can see here, French is not here. Sorry, my bad. So I have more language. So now, what remain is the about us profile. So what I need to do here is actually me I don't really like stressing my brain, and I'm actually going to write my own. Very important. I offer Shopify marketing service. I basically offer Shopify marketing service and TikTok shop service. So Shopify marketing. Let's see what I get. So these are the people in Shopify marketing. These are the people in Shopify marketing. Sorry. So these are the people in Shopify marketing. I can open like 3 to 4 people's profile and see what they are doing. This person says digital marketing, and that. So, what I will just do is I will copy this. Please don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I'm not copying anybody's profile. I'm not copying anybody's profile. Just follow the process. So what I do here is what I do here is this this is the AI that I use to rewrite my content. This is the AI that I use to rewrite my content. As you can see, I have an account there already. So what I'm going to discussing with him is I'm a I'm a professional Shopify marketer and TikTok shop expert. I offer this service on Fiverr, and I want you to write me 3 different profile description for my Shopify marketing and TikTok shop service. Use these templates. Don't forget, I don't even bother to even read this person's profile. Me, I just like the way it's arranged everything. So I need this kind of template. So what I also want to let you know is that you have to understand that Fiverr actually work with SEO. So they expect you to use keyword. They want to know exactly what you do. Do you understand? So I have this uh jotted keywords. I do not actually get all these things with my brain. Actually, I got it with Fiverr. I got it with Fiverr Seller Plus. So this is not actually what I'm going to be using. Um, I'm going to provide. Hey.